Oh, hi everyone. I've recently had some new subscribers from a show I was watching live on Saturday night. They've encouraged me to put up a bit more content, so I thought I'd have a little go at showing you this. I'm currently working on an Ebbro. Let me have a quick look at the box, can't remember it. It's an Ebbro Lotus Type 72C from 1970 from Rob Walker. Well, it's sponsored by Rob Walker Racing. That was the team that it was raced under. Yes, it's Walkers who do the whiskey. He was the heir to the family fortune, so he spent it all on racing cars or sponsoring cars. This particular car was driven by Graham Hill. What I'm leading up to is, although they're still in the packaging, are these. He says as he drops it. They are supports, metal ready-made supports for the wing mirrors. And the car was run at the Italian Grand Prix without any front wings, and just it had a 3-element design rear wing, and they ran it with just 1 element because the track was fast, so they were trying to get as much speed out of the car as possible, so they decided not to run with minimum wing. Which resulted, I don't think he was a Rob Walker team driver, but Jochen Richt was killed during practice by a Team Lotus car, and I assume it's because they were running with the with hardly any wing. So from that race, they withdrew all the Lotus cars. So the kit can be built in one or two ways. It can be built with the single element wing or the 3-element wing and front wings, as I'm building it here. Now, when it had the 3-element wing, there wasn't much rearward vision with standard wing mirrors, so they made these high-level ones. So that's what these are for. The interesting thing about this is you've got to drill some holes in the cockpit coaming, whatever you like to call it, the body here. Now this, the bottom half of this, apparently makes up as a jig. These are through the holes that you have to drill. I've already done the side ones. They were moulded in. Why they didn't do the top ones, I don't know. So I thought I'd show you this because I thought it was quite interesting. So I'll just get the wing mirrors out and then I'll be back. Okay, so I've managed to remove them. And they really are quite exquisitely made. I don't know how well this will show up. They are very fine indeed. Already made. I wouldn't want to have made those, and I don't think they'd have been able to make them from injection moulding. I'm assuming that they are soldered in some way. But anyway, they have got to be, the body's got to be drilled out to accept these. So this is the bottom of the packaging. As you can see, you've got holes there, there and there to drill. Now you place this over that. If you look inside, there's even a little horseshoe shaped moulding that fits that. So hopefully you get it all in the wrong place. In the right place, then you can drill these 4 holes out in the top of the bodywork. So we'll have a go at that. If you're wondering why it's looking like a grey and white zebra, it's because there are white decals to go over here, and also one on the nose cone of the body as well. I was a bit worried about the blue showing through the white, so I'm going to mask these off and then spray it the blue, and obviously remove the tape and we'll have the white underneath. Then hopefully I'm just going to stick the numbers, which are separate for the front one, on the circle of the decal. But the ones for the side have got the Rob Walker Racing on it, and they are printed with the wording on a white background, so I have to use a whole decal on that one, but it's just to prevent it looking ghosting, the blue ghosting through the white. Anyway, back to what we're supposed to be doing. So this, I assume, slots over like that, and that is a perfect fit. That only moves a few thousandths of an inch. So we can then put that down. I'll drill here. Let's see what size we need. Small. I'm going to go for a 0.3 3.45 for starters. See if that goes through. And that does go through, so that gives me a pilot hole somewhere on here. In fact, I might go up to 0.5 and see if it still goes through. I think I've messed these around so much, I think they're all out of size order. Let's try that one there. That one there. It's a bit sorry if I'm out of shot. That seems a pretty good fit. So, get my pin vise. Pop the drill in. Replace this. Make sure you're holding it in. Place the drill through. The pilot hole needs some oil. So that's the first one done. Second one done. And the last one just being done now. So, remove that. You can now see that I've got the holes in the right place. Well done, Ebbro. That really made it nice and easy. So, there we go. Now all I've got to do is get the wing mirror mounts back on there and get the protection back on. Anyway guys, hope this little video was informative. There was somebody, I believe, on the International Scale Modelers live show asking about Ebbro kits, and I said they're really good. And honestly, yeah, it goes together. I'm sure, judging by the style of the instructions and the box and the mouldings, that there's something to do with Tamiya. But it's going together really well. Just off camera, I've got lots of the little parts all sprayed up ready. So I'm hopefully going to get on with some of the sub-assemblies this afternoon. So anyway guys, hope you all are having a good day, and catch you again some other time. And thanks for watching if you've bothered. Cheers.